In our previous video, we explored binary multiplication. Today, let's familiarize ourselves with binary division. So let's begin.
So, in order to learn binary division, we first have to look up an example of division in decimal number system. So, let's suppose we want to divide 115, that is 115 by 7, and this 7 is divisor and here 115 is dividend. So, what we used to do, we compare this leftmost digit of the dividend by the divisor. Here, this is less than 7. So we write down 0 and 7 times 0 is 0. Now we will subtract 0 from 1 and it will come 1. Now we will put this one here and again compare is 11 less than or greater than 7. So here 11 is greater than 7. Now we will write down 1 here and 7 times 1 is 7. So we will subtract 7 from 11 and we will get 4. Now this 5 will come down and here it's 45. Now this is also greater than 7. Now 7 times 6 is 42 and our remainder will be 3. So this is the process of division in decimal number system. In the very similar way we are going to do in this binary division. So let's suppose we want to divide this 110011 by 101. So what we will do, firstly we will compare the leftmost digit of the dividend by this divisor. Here 101 is greater than 1. So we will write down 0 here and 101 times 0 is 0 and 0 subtracted from 1 is 0. Here this 1 will come into action. Now again we will compare and got 1 is less than 101. So we will again write down 0 here and 101 times 0 is 0. Again 0 is subtracted from 1 will remain 1. Now this 0 will come into action. Here 110 is greater than 101. Now what we are going to write in this quotient side, we have only two options, 0 or 1. So we have used 0 for these cases. Now we have only one option left, that is 1. 101 times 1 is 101. Now we will subtract 101 from 110. So 1 can't be subtracted from 0. So it will take borrow and it will come 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. 0 minus 0 is 0. Again 0 minus 0 is 0. Now this 0 will come down and here 101. Again 10 is less than 101. Sorry, 10 is less than 101. So we will write 0 in the quotient side and 101 times 0 is 0. It will again come 10 and this one will be written down here. Here 101 is exactly equal to 101. So we will write down 1 the quotient side and get 101. And by this subtraction we got 0 remainder and this 0 will written down here and 101 can divide this 0 totally, so we will write 0 here and 101 times 0 is 0 0 0 0 and here our division is ended and this is our remainder, this is our quotient. So let's check the result, is this correct or not. If we convert this divisor into its binary form, it will come 5. If we convert this dividend into its decimal form, then it will 32 plus 16 plus 2, that is 50. And if we convert this into its decimal form, it will look like 8 plus 2, that is 10. Now let's check. If we divide 50 by 5, then it is 10 times fully divisible. So our result is correct. The process of binary division is like this. I hope you understand this concept well. For better understanding of this concept, please solve the two given problems and we will see you in the next video.